Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have NUBIA Focus Pro and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. We start off opening Google Chrome application. In it, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings, where we have our Google Passwords Manager selection, and there we can manage our Google password which our smartphone remember, maybe to our Facebook account. We can click there, but we need to have look screen to manage it. We do fast look screen, we add it. And now after we enter our look screen, we get connect to our password to manage it. And there, after we press this first icon, we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we choose this ice icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone by this icon, and you can share it or edit all by tap on edit, and now we can add something to username, passwords, or note, or change something what you need. And after you customize it, remember to press save. You can also delete all our smartphone member by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.